Hello everyone, thank you so much for purchasing NotJustColour presets. We are so excited for you to start using them on your own work.
So in this video, we're going to teach you how to install the presets on either desktop or mobile, depending on which pack you've purchased. We're also going to take you through how to get the best out of your edits by showing you how you can tweak some of the sliders to maximize the presets.
We also wanted to personally thank you for supporting the Environmental Justice Foundation. 5% of all the profit that NotJustColour makes annually is given back to this NGO, and they're doing very, very important work on the forefront of mitigating climate change and regenerating ecosystems. So thank you so much for caring for the planet and supporting this cause.
And lastly, if you haven't already signed up to our mailing list, be sure to sign up and join in the conversation, because we are doing monthly Zoom sessions to give you some insight and feedback on your edits. So be sure to sign up for that, but let's get stuck into the editing. So there's two ways you can import your NotJustColour mobile presets onto your smartphone. The first is to download the zip onto your desktop and transfer or airdrop those unzipped .dng files onto your mobile. The DNG files can then be imported into Lightroom Creative Cloud and saved as presets. The second way is to completely do this same process but on your smartphone. So first you'll need to download a zip extractor app onto your smartphone, and once you've got that installed, you can go ahead and download your NotJustColour presets from the confirmation email. We've chosen to use the Documents zip extractor app on iPhone, so simply tap on the zip file to unzip, then tap on the folder to access your .dng files. Once they're unzipped, you can then save these .dng files to your camera roll. In the bottom left-hand corner, click Move and send them to Photos. You'll notice in your camera roll that the DNG files appear blank. Don't worry, simply open up Lightroom CC. In the bottom right-hand corner, click on the image icon to add photos and choose the option from camera roll or wherever you have saved these DNG files on your smartphone. They will appear blank, though clicking on the DNG file in Lightroom CC will reveal the preset. If you have purchased either GoPro pack, you will have two images, one containing a vignette. To save the presets, click the dots in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Then navigate your way down and click on Create Preset. Name the preset corresponding to the titled image. So this one, for example, was Scales, and create a preset group with the title of your purchased preset pack. This preset pack was GoPro Ocean, so we'll title it that. Then simply repeat this process for each of the downloaded .dng files, remembering to include the title for both the named preset and also the vignette. Once finished, begin your edits.
We're really looking forward to see what you do with your new NotJustColour presets, so make sure you share your work.
Use the hashtag NotJustColour or NotJustColour presets across social media to be discovered. But if you are keen and interested in having your work featured on our Instagram page, you can submit your photos, befores and afters to notjustcolor@gmail.com, or even just upload them to your own and use the hashtags and we will discover it. But until then, enjoy the editing. Running you through how we'd go about fine-tuning your edits in Adobe Lightroom Creative Cloud on mobile. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to apply our preset, our NotJustColour preset. So navigate your way to the slider bar at the bottom of your mobile phone and click on Preset. You'll see here all of your saved presets that you've created from those DNG files. And for this particular image, we're going to use the Abyss preset. And I think we'll go with the vignette on this one. Now, the first thing we'd recommend doing is setting your exposure, because some of your images will be shot either above, over or underexposed. Playing around with the exposure is a great way to uncover images. So starting with this slider is a great place to begin your editing. The next step we'd recommend is checking out the vibrancy. So for this particular image, we're going to select the surf preset, and if you tap and hold on the image, you'll see the before and after. To add vibrancy, simply navigate your way to the color tab in the bottom slider, click on it and scroll up to find your vibrancy slider. Sliding this left or right will increase or decrease the vibrancy. For this particular image, we're going to increase it a little bit, and then we can tap on the image again to see the before and after. The final area we want to address while tweaking your NotJustColour presets are skin tones. Skin tones are often the hardest part of an edit to get right. For those of you that are editing a lot of selfies or portrait work, we recommend going through this process on each image. So for this image, I'm going to select the surf preset with the vignette, and then I'm going to zoom in on my subject. I'll then navigate my way down to the color tab, and then up in the top right, you can see there's a mix option. Select the mix option and head to the orange luminance fader. If we tweak our orange luminance, it will directly address our skin tones. Increasing the orange luminance will make the skin whiter, and decreasing it will make the skin more brown or darker. That's it from us. We hope you enjoy your brand new NotJustColour mobile presets and look forward to seeing your edits across social media.